I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page, select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Zoom. To get Client ID and Client Secret, please click on Get Client ID and Client Secret. Choose App Type OAuth. Click Create. Turn off Publish this app to Zoom Marketplace. Give a name your app. Click Create. Now go to Scopes. Click on Add Scopes. Give these permissions. Now go to App Credentials. Copy Client ID and paste it here. Copy Client Secret and paste it here. Now copy Authorized Redirect URI and paste it here and here. Now go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now go to Zoom Account. Click on My Account. Go to Meetings. Click on Schedule a Meeting. Give a topic name. Check the registration box. This is required. Click on Save. Now go to Bit Integrations Dashboard. Refresh all meeting. Select your meeting. Select an action. Map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then a user will create to Zoom. Click Next. Click Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Let's check our Zoom account. As you can see, a user has been created to Zoom. Thanks for watching.